Magandang gabi mga idol. Ang baligang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ating sangguniang kabataan ng Barangay San Manuel.
Third quarter na po mga idol. Enjoy watching.
Eight minutes starting na ating third quarter of the game. 48-50. Ipagtumogin, it's time on. 48-50 ayon sa ating talangan. At number 13, at Compo Fake. We have only 48-50 score. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Tapos sa Farmer P. Not good for the treatment area. It's out of bounds. It's 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Number 23 for RJ Gabinete. It's a 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Brian Mahinay. Top order on the planet by the PCB. At number 23, RJ Gabinete. Good for 2 points for the Sakuran. Yung Palawan by number 23 by RJ. 7 minuto 28 segundo macho at Ibanez. We have only 15 seconds on the shot clock. Blocked by Hazel Gary. Going for Martinez. Martinez to Brian Mahinay. Ang titiranong makilala ko. Bibigay sa batang Martinez. Power up shot. Going to Laksamana. At number 1. Still by Martinez. Going for the wing side. It's a foul. With foul jersey number 5. Blocking foul. Ingat-ingat naman po sa ating mga player, ha? Kaya po ang mga player po natin, hindi po sila magkalaban sa court, magkalaro po sila. Yan po ibig sabihin po nun. Thank you so much po, ha, sa ating mga player po na nakikipaglaro sa bawat player na magkalaro. Kaya kami po din ako sa last and final free throw. 1 point naman po masok mula sa ating first free throw. Remaining time, it's 6 minutes and 55 seconds away. RJ Gabinete going to JC number 5, Hazel Gani. May talagang mga Abdul Jabbar. It's a 14 seconds hockey shot. Remaining time 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. At number 14 by Macosa. Pero may kating ng Capillo na binabangga. Itong call for foul number 15 by Martinez. Martinez sila in front of Pilar and a 2-beater. Remaining time 6 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Then Macosa number 14 first free throw. Good for 1 point. Change number 14 by Macosa. Last and final Pingo. Good for 1 point. We have only 8 seconds to shoot. And silang dagot. Still by Laksamana. Brian Mahinay. And going to Laksamana. Ibanez jumper. 2 points. Ibanez. All 52 score. Then Jersey. Tapal ito nga Brian. Pero doon na po patuloy po. Makakalaban ng abang. And Macosa. Still by Martinez. Remaining time 6 minutes to go. We have only 6 minutes to go. Istamay po yung ating 25. And for ating 25, Team of Centro Uno up against for Team of Badis Kitchen. 6 minutes. 6 na minuto. It's a 15 seconds on the shot clock. Macosa jumper. Not good for Macosa. Then Laksamana. Foul. They called for foul. It's a foul on jersey number 77, Gerald Tagot. And Gerald Tagot called for foul number 77. Second first of all, Gerald Tagot, and the third team foul, your team of BCD Sportswear. Substitution. Good for 2 minutes for Martinez and substitution Martinez off and Banana Magbanwa in. Remaining time in 5 minutes and 50 seconds again. Brian Mahinay going to Gerald. In 15 South Shapa. Then Brian Mahinay. Substitution. Manlangin up in the jersey number 7. Manabati, another substitution. Ibani South in the jersey number 9. Kahayaki. And Simon Shotla. Di 52-54, RJ Gabinete, number 23. El Banana, Eric Magbanwa, Gerald Tagot, Jumper, 2 points. Iba talaga pag sigurado at alam mo, andito na natutulong sa court mo. Number 2 points for Gerald Tagot. Then RJ Gabinete, number 23. El Banana to Eric Magbanwa, pagin sila pag sa Usumini. At Gerald Tagot, Jumper again, Gerald Tagot. At running score 54-56 score 54-56 at number 01 Laksamana Black Bay number Kuya Brian Mahinay important sila 48 sa Usumini. Then Hazel Gally going to Brian Mahinay at Brian Mahinay going for the wing side. Then El Banana to RJ humanit ang teammate Brian Mahinay. And the honor by BCD Sportswear. Yung nagmamayari ng BCD, walang problema dito sa tako yung Brian nyo. Importance in 24 sa Usumini. Taklosa, 1 over for 3 outside jumper. Medyo kasabay nga po dyan, RJ Gabinete. It's a 4 minutes and 15 sa Usumini. Ito po ay championship game, yung ating nasasaksihan. Gerald Tagot, 5 for 3 outside. Not good for Gerald. Three minutes and 55 sa Usumini. 14 sa Shotland. And number 13. With the stall, we have only done steal. 3 minutes and 48 sa Usumini. El Banana. Uy! El Banana! Good for pass. Yan yung sinasabing basta't marunong pumasa. Huwag kaya ng X na lang pasa. Yung good pass by El Banana. Pero hindi na pumura mo na sa pagpasa dito sa Gerald Tagot. 3 minutes and 42 sa Usumini. 3 minuto at 42 segundo mula sa ating 10th quarter for half number 2. And half number 2, 54-58 score, 4.8 your team of BCD Sportswear. Equal for foul. Number 77, Gerald Tagot, handshake foul. Number 77, Gerald Tagot, third personal foul. Also warning for entry for foul to your team of BCD. 3 minutes and 23, Samsumero. 13 seconds Shotland, number 01 Pelak Samana. 8 seconds on the Shotland. 5 seconds to shoot, number 14 Jumper. RJ Gabinete, Brian Mahinay. Timeout. It's a timeout, your team. Power production. 54-60. Lumalamang po for the team of BCD Sportswear. In Pantunog game, 3 minutes and a half sa Usumini. 3 minuto at 8 segundo Choy ha. Then we have only 18 seconds shot at number 19 in part 3. Not the positive Miseria, number 13, put back! Lalasote, number 13, shooting 2 points from El Banana. Going to Brian Mahinay and RJ Gabinete, part 3, RJ. Medyo hilaw nga po yung takuhan ito RJ. 50 shota. And up a 4.3, your team of BCD Sportswear. Going to class and Laksamana. They take number 7, Laksamana again. Kumamit na ng salaming walang grado. And Laksamana, good for 2 points. El Banana, Eric Magbanwa. We have only 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Then partner 3, not good. Number 13, Pig. And number 13, Sakai. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 and 5 for 3. Then Kahayag. Then Pakasa, we have only 5 seconds to shoot. Then Pakasa 5 for 3. At asset work for the 3-point area. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining. Laksamana, number 1. Then asset work for Laksamana. 13 seconds shot clock. Consulat shooting 2 points. Gerald Dagor, 2 points. One minute 25 seconds remaining. They call for foul, Brian Mahina. A blocking foul, takes a foul anticipation. Penalty situation. Then a penalty situation. Remaining time, it's a 1 minute 24 seconds remaining, and Pakasa number 14, good for 1 point. Last in foul Twitter. Subdivision, Laksamana out, a minus number 15 in. Now Pakasa number 14 out, Manlangit out, and Jersey. Then back to Mogi. A 1 minute 24 seconds remaining. A 1 minute 20 seconds remaining. Then Gerald Dagor, part 3, outside. Brian Mahilay, foul! Pero may pangapong tayong kasabit dyan dito sa opensa. A call for foul jersey number 7. Then pushing back to Petra. A 62-64. Brian Mahilay, first attack, good for 1 point for Brian Mahilay. Last in foul Petro, the owner of BCD Sportswear. Last in foul Petro, not good for that, Kuya Brian. We have only 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Isa 55, after stolen, going to Hazel Curry, El Panara, 1 minute to go. Gerald Dagor, punch! Good for 2 points for Gerald Dagor. We have only 50 seconds remaining. Then Jason number 7 in the jumper. RJ Cabinete, we have only 40 seconds remaining. 67, good for 2 points, Gerald Dagor. 93 segundo. And stolen by Gerald Dagor at number 77, 2 points. In 23 seconds, wala na po tayong shot clock. 20 seconds, no more shot clock.
Kung umabot ka na sa part ng video na ito, baka naman pwede pakisubscribe ang ating YouTube channel, Basketballers. At pakibisita na rin po ang ating Facebook page, Franz TV 2.0. Pakipollow na rin po mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.